Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm Styling Team Lead at Show Business Interiors.
Hi, I'm Bex and I'm the Creative Manager here at Show Business Interiors, and today we're going to talk about our trends for getting your house autumn ready. So one way to make your home ready for autumn is by introducing a nice warm colour palette. So you can do this with some burnt oranges, some deeper reds, some golden tones, and this will really infuse the warmth throughout your home.
You can do this by adding cushions, throws and other textiles into your home. Incorporating textures into your home can create the essence of the outdoors while maintaining a cosy and warm atmosphere.
So you can also opt for nature-inspired wallpapers or fabrics that have got patterns on, and also bring it into ornaments, so woven baskets or like rustic wooden bits of accessories. So lighting will significantly affect the ambience of a room, so swapping out the whiter light bulbs for more orangey warm tones will really make it feel a much cosier atmosphere.
You can use these bulbs in all your lamps and uplights to create a calming effect.
So lighting will significantly.
By using styling items that are soft, your space will automatically feel more inviting and warmer.
You can also layer thick knit throws with soft pattern cushions just to create that true cosy autumn feel.